Hello guys and welcome back. For the Infinix fans out there, very soon Infinix will be launching a new device and I know you are super excited about this. So Infinix will be launching the Infinix Hot 11s and here's everything you need to know about the device, including the launch date. But before we continue, you know what to do for a brother. Hit the subscribe button for more videos like this and let's jump to the video now. So the Infinix Hot 11 is set to launch somewhere around mid-September in India first before moving out to other countries like Kenya, Nigeria and Ghana and others. It will launch in two RAM versions with the same MediaTek processor. Talking about the display, on the Infinix Hot 11s will come with an IPS LCD 720p resolution display that supports 90Hz refresh rate for smoothness. I think it will have the same screen size as the Infinix Hot 10s, but maybe this time let's expect to see maybe a punch hole cutout for the selfie camera on the display. Under the hood, the Infinix Hot 11 will utilize the MediaTek Helio Gen88 chipset, which is an improved version of the Helio Gen85 chipset. Take a look at this image. And the device will come in two RAM versions, which is a 4GB RAM with 64GB internal storage or a 6GB RAM with 64GB internal storage. Plus it will feature an external slot for you to expand your storage if you want to. And will run on Android 11 out of the box with custom skin XOS. For the price of the Infinix Hot 11s, the 4GB RAM with 64GB internal storage is expected to be priced around $135, 65,000 Naira in Nigeria and 815 cedis in Ghana, whilst the 6GB RAM with the same storage size will be priced around $150, 72,000 Naira in Nigeria and 906 cedis in Ghana. And looking at the price, you should know it is budget friendly and I know a lot of you guys will purchase this when it's finally out. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. For now, no information on the battery and the cameras yet, but it might come with a 6000 or 5000 mAh battery. And talking about the camera, let's say it might come with a 48 megapixel main camera lens and a 2 megapixel for depth sensor and another 2 megapixel as a macro lens. Connectivity will still remain 4G, no 5G network because the Helio Gen88 does not support 5G. So I guess other features will still remain the same or not. Maybe the Infinix Hot 11s will have a side-mounted fingerprint sensor. We will get to know more about the device when it's getting closer to the launch time. So subscribe to the channel to stay updated and for more videos like this. Like this video if you enjoyed it, also share, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Stay safe.